Hello everyone, I'm Tom Kenyon, I'm the CEO of the Sporting Shooters Association. I just want to talk to you today about our digital membership card. It's now late October 2025, and in the next few weeks you'll start to receive an email which has got a link, and in that link it'll take you to a website. From that website you can download your digital SSAA membership card. There's instructions that you can follow, they're contained in the email, so if you need help with that, it'll go on either the Apple system or the Android system. It's quite simple to do. And all it does is take your membership information that's already on your plastic card, so the barcode, your membership number, expiry date, that sort of thing, and it transfers it onto your phone in a usable form. So when you go to the club or wherever it is, you just scan it in the barcode in the same way that you would your plastic card, and you scan into your club if your club does that. It is linked to our membership database, our IMS membership database, but it is not linked to any other database, and it doesn't track information. It doesn't tell us where you are. It doesn't tell anyone else where you are. It's not connected to the government in any way. It's not part of the National Firearms Registry or anything like that. All it is like downloading your Flybuys card or your boarding pass whenever you fly onto your phone. It's exactly the same thing. It is not a digital ID. A digital ID is an identity document issued by a government. So that would be related to your passport or your driver's license or something like that. And this is not that. Essentially, it's a photo of your membership card instead of carrying around the plastic membership card. And for me personally, I'd much prefer that. I hate carrying all of the membership cards in my wallet. I'd much prefer to have them on my phone and leave my wallet just for my credit cards and cash and everything else. So there you go. That's all it is. It's really simple. And we really hope that it'll be a convenient thing for you to use. If you live in Queensland, it's not going to affect you because they do their own membership. You can get in contact with them and if you've got any questions for them. However, if you've got questions for us about how it works or anything else like that, just check the number below. We'll put it up on screen there. You can ring our membership office. They'll help you through that. That's just during office hours. And of course, if you'd like a plastic card, if you much prefer to have a plastic card, just ring the membership office and they'll make sure to send you one out. It's really simple. Thanks again for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.